Hello everyone. So in this video I'm going to tell you how you can start doing coding in the website Codeforces, which is used by many competitive programmers. So here you can see the UI is not that much good, but basically starting coding from here is also not good. You should first start from the hacker rank, and once you are able to write the code and you are able to find the errors in your code, then you can shift to Codeforces. Okay, so what you are doing, what you can do here is basically the main thing about this is you just have to come into the Bugaboo site. Okay, the home, top, contest, groups, rating, edu, API, calendar, these are not of much use. Just want to tell about the home. You can find many news about related to coding here, and you can find the different contests which are running. Once you are comfortable doing coding here, you can also go for the contest. Okay, and you can see the profile, your profile. And another thing is you can find username. You can also see the profile of other people who you can see also the profile of other people जिनका आपको username पता है, right? Then one thing also is there, username जानने के बाद you can also make your friends. Okay, now the thing is the thing which is more important is the questions. So what you have to do, you just have to come this page and you have to click on this green button. Once you click on this button, you will see the questions in the step wise order, right? Means you will see only the easy questions which you can start from the beginning. Okay, right? So what you have to do, if you have come into this page, just click on this green button. If then also you're not able to see the easy questions, how you will find these are easy or not? Just see the ratings. The ratings are given here, right? If the ratings are between 800 to 900, then it means that it is easy for this website. Okay, right? Once you will start solving these questions, you will also find those easy. Okay, so these are the ratings which are given to the question according to what you have to do. And here you can see it is written what you have to do in the question: implementation string, brute forces, greedy implementation. And you can also mark star to those question जिसमें आपको लगता है that this is important question, so you can just make star on them. And the question which you have visited will be shown by this dark color, and which you have not visited will shown by this light color. And one more important thing, once you will go through the questions and you have solved, if you have solved the question, you will also see the green tag here. So let's start the coding. So once you have come to this page, click on the question, and here you can find the question, right? So what you have to do, just have to see the question, time limit, memory limit, and then start reading the question. And after reading the question, read the input and output conditions, where you have to means in which variable you have to take the input and print what you have to print, right? And after this, what you have to do, write your code in your compiler. If you're having that, if you're not having that compiler, just go to the custom test, write your code here. And if you want to test that if my code is correct or not, okay, my problem has lost. Okay, no ways, it happens in this. So you just have to do what, just click on this green arrow, then again to the problem, or you can do undo also. Okay, that's not a big problem. So here's the problem, and if you want to check if your code is correct or not, once you have written the code, so you will check that into that in input and output. So you just do what, copy the input and remember what is the output is yes. Okay, then go to the custom test. One important thing about the custom test is that whatever you will write here will be not erased even you have closed the website and again open it after a day, after few time, after few minutes or anything, means how much time you take, I don't, it not cares, but there will be your code. Okay, so I'm just pasting the code here. Oh, sorry, I have uh, copied the 8 actually. So what I'm doing, I'm just pasting the code here, which is of that question, and I also want to tell how you can get that code. Okay, so just go to your problem, and suppose in the case you are not able to solve this problem, what you will do, you will go for the tutorial which is given here for the sum of the problems. I will show you, and if you are not able to do the question from that tutorial also, means there is a hint, there is some hint about the question. Okay, then what you will do, you will go for the code, and from where you can get the code, you can get the code from okay, you can get the code from here. Means once you will click here, and it shows that how many people have solved this question. Okay, you will get the code of this question, and there are many submissions, so you can choose submission according to your preference. Okay, so you can click on the submission time here. I've clicked on submission time, means the recent submissions, and the language which you want, you can check here. So you if you are doing coding in C++, you can just see the code. You just have to see the first 10 codes, okay, that are okay. Okay, if you're not able to understand this code, let's close it. Okay, and then see this. Okay, this is looking fine, so I'm just copying this code. You can also copy from here, right? And what I told you is that whatever you write in custom test will not be raised, but that will be not applicable for input and output boxes, that is applicable for the source. Okay, so I will put my code here, and I want to check this for the input which was given in the question, that was 8, and the answer that was coming to this question was yes. So let's run this code. Is it running? No. So what you can see, the answer is yes. Now suppose if I was not suppose answer since I have copied the right answer, that's why right answer, that's why the answer is yes. Now when I will okay, I have made this code. Now I want to submit it, right? So what I will do, I will go to the problem where I was, right? So प्रॉब्लम वॉज वाटरमेलन. सो एक्चुअली व्हाट हैपन्स, जब भी आप प्रॉब्लम वाला पेज छोड़ देते हैं, देन वो प्रॉब्लम वाला पेज दोबारा मिलता नहीं जल्दी. तो यू कैन जस्ट गो बाय क्लिकिंग हेयर ऑल्सो, राइट? तो इस प्रॉब्लम वाले पेज में नाउ व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, go to the submit button here and paste your code here. And one more important thing that you have to basically take care is the language which you have chosen here. ऐसा ना हो जाए that you are writing the code here and pasting the code here in C++ and the language which is selected here is Python. So in that case there will be a compilation error and other, so that will make you little bit panic, so don't do this, right? So I pasted my code here and just click on the submit button. You can also choose you can also upload your file, notepad file or anything else, that will be also applicable here, right? Just click on the submit button. So if you will click on the submit button, you will see this page where it is written that you have submitted that code and it is accepted. But one thing that I want to tell you is that in case it is not accepted, then what you have to do, you just have to click on this and you just have to analyze where it has not given you the correct solution, right? And then you have to check that, and then again you have to go again you have to write the code, and then again you have to submit. And one thing more that I want to tell you that कि बार बार सबमिट करने से यहाँ पे कुछ रेटिंग वगैरह नहीं घटती है. यू कैन सबमिट इट मैनी टाइम्स. बहुत बार एरर भी आता है, बट डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट. इट्स द बिग इफ यू आर अ बिगनर, just do mistakes because that will make you better. Okay, so I've submitted this. Now after this, then again go to the problem set, then choose the next problem, right? So once you choose the next problem, read that problem, read the input conditions, output that you have to print, and then what you have to do, go to the submit. Now as I told you that if you will change the pages, then also the custom test will be not this. So see this, it's here only, right? So in this way you can use this custom test option that is given by this. Okay, now one more important thing that you can do is like status. In this status, what you see is, if you click on this me only, then you will see what you have some which questions you have submitted. And if you click on friends only, then you can see how many questions has been submitted by your friends. Okay, so this is basically okay. Now what you can see is, you can also see which question your friends have solved, and you can also see their solutions in case you're not able to solve those questions here, right? So that was it. Now how to make friend, so that is also important. So let's go to the main home page, and suppose I want to make the top user my friend, that is VENQ. So let's write the name. Okay, you will find it here, and what you can see, you can see the profile, and you can also see that the contest rating is 36 3691, legendary master. Okay, the something is like that, it goes from newbie to legendary master, and you passes different stages here. So that what happened, contribution, number of friends. Okay, these are the number friends, right? And you can see that here that how much time he has coded per day, right? यहाँ पे इसने इतनी इतनी देर कोडिंग की है, इतनी इतनी देर कोडिंग मीन्स इफ़ इट इज़ लाइट ग्रीन ज़्यादा देर कोडिंग नहीं की, इफ़ इट्स डार्क ग्रीन बहुत ज़्यादा देर कोडिंग की है, इट्स दैट इज़ व्हाट हैपन्स हियर, राइट? And these are the problems, number of problems, which is 3122 problems which you have solved, right? And 35 in 35 days, in 4 days, and 2 days. So these this is basically what given the programmers biodata, actually you can say कि कितनी देर कोडिंग करते हैं. And what these dots are representing, these are representing the contest in which he has participated. Okay, so it started from this rank and then participated, the ranks goes down and then again up and then again up and then to here. And basically this is a very 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 long journey to here. And if you come if you had into the purple or pink also, then also it's very, if then also you are a very good coder. Okay, so how you can make friend actually, so this is by clicking on the star button, and once you have made friend, then you can see what you can see in the status that how many question he has solved, and different things, means कि that पूछना ही पड़ता है दैट कि आपने कहाँ से स्टार्ट किया था प्रोग्रामिंग करना, पहले क्वेश्चन कौन से किए थे. सो यू कैन सी फ्रॉम द स्टेटस एंड अदर थिंग्स. सो सी yes, solve this destiny problem. You can see that problem by clicking here, and if you want to see the solution you can click here. So destiny, okay, I want to see the solution, you can click here and you can see the solution. Okay, so this is nothing, these are the just useful some short forms which will used in the program. Oh my god. Okay, so you can see the solution here, and in this way this is basically the basic introduction to this website, which is important if you have started doing coding, right? So that was it. Thank you. Hope you like this video.